Homemade Mutton Pulao Recipe, affordable and delicious iftar special for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. With Ramadan just around the corner, we're excited to share a special recipe that's perfect for iftar, homemade mutton pulao. This dish is not only delicious but also affordable and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive into the kitchen and get started. To make our homemade mutton pulao, you'll need the following ingredients. 500 grams mutton, washed and cleaned. 2 cups basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes. 2 large onions, thinly sliced. 3 tomatoes, chopped. Half cup plain yogurt. 1/4 cup cooking oil or ghee. 2 cups mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, and potatoes work well. Whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, 4 to 5 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander and mint leaves for garnish. Preparation. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Marinating the mutton. Start by marinating the mutton with yogurt and a blend of spices. This helps to infuse flavors and tenderize the meat. Allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. 2. Sautéing onions. In a large pot, heat oil or ghee. Add the thinly sliced onions and sauté them until they turn golden brown. This will add a rich flavor to our pulao. 3. Adding whole spices. Now, add the whole spices, bay leaves, green cardamom pods, cloves, and a cinnamon stick. Allow them to sizzle, releasing their aromatic flavors. 4. Cooking the marinated mutton. Add the marinated mutton to the pot and cook until it changes color and the spices coat the meat evenly. 5. Adding chopped tomatoes. Throw in the chopped tomatoes. Cook until they soften and the oil starts to separate. 6. Incorporating vegetables. Now, let's add our mixed vegetables. They not only enhance the nutritional value but also contribute to the overall taste and texture of our pulao. 7! Cooking the rice. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. Gently mix to coat the rice with the flavorful mixture. 8. Adding water. For perfectly cooked pulao, add water in a ratio of 1 to 2, 1 part rice to 2 parts water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer until the rice is cooked. 9. Garnishing. Once the rice is cooked, garnish with fresh coriander and mint leaves. And there you have it, our homemade mutton pulao, a perfect iftar special that's not only delicious but also affordable and beginner-friendly. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Remember, the key to a great pulao is patience and the right balance of spices. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this dish with your loved ones during the blessed month of Ramadan. For more mouth-watering recipes, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and remember, good food is meant to be shared. Thank you very much, mutton pulao lovers.